Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. Just finished this one up. Just wanted to make a short video. Everybody knows I had the 12, had a ton of issues with that. I picked this one up. I'll put the picture of it before here. Alright, so this is what the outside looks like now. Everything's really, really nice. Looks like it's going to turn out pretty good. Everything's pretty in there. It does seem to have a little bit more like marks on it, you know, like from being used. So maybe the seasonal will actually work better on this one. I'm not going to take and mess with it, you know, try to change it or anything. I'm just going to take and use it and see how it does. This one being a 10, I think I'll be using this one more than I actually use the 12 because it's still heavy, so it'll do some real good searing. But just the number 10, I think I'm gonna use it more because I like this size a little bit better than the big 12, and it's not as heavy. Y'all have a great one.